How about this weather forecast? Is that going to be authentic?
It's fantastic right now. No travel plans or no travel problems this week for all those with plans. Now, it was nice and warm today. Tomorrow gets a little bit colder. We're going to be back to reality temperature-wise tomorrow, but we're going to see the sunshine. That's the good news. So we're going to start local, and then we're going to show out the big picture and talk holiday weekend here and white Christmas chances. So temperatures right now, a little bit cooler outside. We were up to near 50 degrees today for many of you, some in the low 50s. We actually have a cold front sinking across the area as we speak, and that's bringing in some cooler air. It's a pretty quiet front, though. You see temperatures out there still pretty mild for this time of year, generally near 40s. We're at 38 in Sandusky. All of us going to drop down in the low 30s, maybe even upper 20s as we go onto your early morning hours tomorrow. And that wind telling the story, blowing out of the west-northwest, starting to usher in some of those cooler temperatures that we have off to the north. But yeah, it was a quiet front, went by, not much to do with that. We've got kind of a secondary front off to the north that's helping to kick off some lake effect snow across the UP of Michigan and northern Michigan. I'm not expecting any snow out of this. We are going to have some lake clouds, especially over towards Ashtabula County tomorrow, out towards the Erie area. But most of us, quiet start to your Wednesday morning. We'll go with partly cloudy skies and temperatures falling back to near 30 degrees tomorrow. So you are going to need that winter coat out the door once again. And your Wednesday not looking too bad. Look at that. Sunshine back in our forecast pretty much all day tomorrow. I mentioned a couple of those lake clouds out east. That's really the only thing of consequence. Temperatures, though, remaining right where they're at tomorrow morning. I think we'll stay in the low, maybe mid 30s at best. So quiet weather tomorrow, quiet weather on Thursday. Let's fast forward to Friday and talk this weekend weather system that'll be developing in the Plain States. We've got a flow of moisture out of the Gulf that'll start collecting. I do think throughout the day Friday we have some scattered showers around, but notice we're on the warm side of the system. All the cold air still off to the north and the west. If you have outdoor plans Saturday, perhaps getting in that last minute shopping, you're going to need the umbrella. It's going to be a soaker on Saturday as a wave of moisture comes through. I think some steady rainfall for much of the day. And then as we go into the Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening, the cold air catches up to the system as it moves out. May see some rain changing to snow late. Not a huge deal in terms of accumulations as it looks right now. And then the big story is, do we get snow on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day? I've been highlighting that in the forecast last couple of days. This model saying, yes, we do have some snowflakes flying before the Arctic opens up next week. It gets darn cold around here. So let's take a look at the upper levels. You can see how warm air we have on Friday, but it's our old friend, the polar vortex, coming back. It often arrives this time of year. It's going to be January, for Pete's sake, but yeah, it's going to get pretty cold as we go into next week. So I'll show you the two models I'm looking at. This is the Euro model in terms of snowfall. There you go on Christmas, perhaps some lighter accumulations. Again, that will fluctuate back and forth over the coming days. And then our American model showing that we do have some snow, but that heavier axis of snow continues to shift west and east. So it does look like pretty good chances for a white Christmas around here. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Cooler tomorrow. We begin the warm up on into Friday. And don't forget, if you have outdoor plans Saturday, you might want to think again. And then colder as we go on into next week, guys.
All right, Matt, thanks.